Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I have tried a lot of body scrubs over the years, but I keep going back to this Clarins exfoliating body scrub. I have never had such incredibly smooth skin as when I use this scrub. Other scrubs can feel really granular and almost like I'm rubbing rocks on my body, and it can kind of hurt when I'm using them. The exfoliating particles in this scrub are extremely fine and gentle. I really enjoy the scent of this scrub. It is not overpowering at all, but it is just really delicate and subtle. The texture of this scrub is really creamy and moisturizing without being greasy like other scrubs that I've tried. It leaves absolutely no oily residue on my skin. All that I'm left with is really soft, smooth skin. I can easily squeeze it directly into my hands and massage it into my body in the shower, but I can also use it in conjunction with my favorite exfoliating glove. I completely love the way my skin feels and smells after I use this Clarins scrub. And that's my point of view.